Hello, everyone. Well, it's the first official day of summer, and oh man, is it going to be feeling like it this afternoon. Check out the high temperatures that we are expecting. Not good. We're talking about record high temperatures. For example, 98 in Valparaiso this afternoon. The record high today is 93, set back in 2002. So it looks like we are going to crush that record and set a new one this afternoon. Most of us are going to be in the upper 90s. 97, 98, 99 degrees is going to be common. If you're right next to the lake in a place like Michigan City, maybe just the low 90s. But no cooler than that. Now, like yesterday, a whole bunch of sunshine, but unlike yesterday, a little bit more wind. We are going to see gusts reach around 25 miles per hour this afternoon, but also a little bit more humidity. So let's talk about what it's going to be feeling like this afternoon. And notice in most locations, you can add a degree or two to our high temperatures, and that's what it's really going to be feeling like. So I do think there could be a few spots where we see the feels like temperatures reach the low 100s. Most places probably still just in the upper 90s because it actually looks like there's going to be more humidity to the west of us. Notice those feels like temperatures higher over in Illinois. So not as much humidity over northwest Indiana, but more humidity than yesterday. So higher temperatures than yesterday, more humidity than yesterday. That's why it is going to be feeling rough this afternoon. So let's talk about some relief from the heat, because the good news is today is going to be the worst of it. We get a cold front very late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now, the earliest we might start to see a stray shower pop up is late tonight, midnight. So in the evening hours, it's still looking dry, but maybe a stray shower popping up around midnight. I tell you what, right now it's looking like the best chance of rain goes as the front is moving over us from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Let's jump ahead and show you 3 a.m. I still think there are going to be some gaps in the activity, but we are going to have multiple showers, and yes, possibility of some thunderstorms popping up. Not worried about severe storms, but I do want to mention very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, the possibility of a couple storms in northwest Indiana, which could mean early wake-up call if one of those storms happens to roll over your house. So there we are at 3 a.m. There we are at 6 a.m. And notice the activity already starting to push out of the area. So that is definitely going to be our best opportunity of rain, 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. tonight. I'm still going to mention the chance for a couple leftover stray showers for the morning commute tomorrow. But tell you what, I think by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, we are completely dry. And tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be feeling pretty darn nice. Now, there could be some places, it looks like in the southern part of the region where the cool air doesn't filter in completely, the top out in the upper 80s, but there could also be some places near the lake that always see high temperatures in the low 80s. So I think we're going to average the mid 80s tomorrow afternoon in the region, which is a lot better than the upper 90s, and the humidity will be lower as well, and there's not going to be much wind, so looking like a pretty darn nice afternoon tomorrow.